Very good evening and good morning, everyone. Welcome to the ISS Combo Batch demo session. So, what is ISS Combo online training? You all might heard about IICS training, right? Many of you will aware about IICS training. So, why we are calling us IICS Combo training, right? So, before that, let me introduce myself. Myself, Hari. I have 14 plus years of experience. I have gone through different ETL tools and databases in my career. So currently I'm working in Bangalore only as a senior ETL developer. So for more information about myself or anything, you can call me anytime. Okay. So what is IICS combo training? Let us see that and how it will be helpful to get the job compared to any other, I can say any other course. This is the most easiest course. If your target is to get a job in a very short time and also to get more demand for your profile in the market. So the intention of this course itself to make easy to get a job in a very short time. Right? Short time means it's not like some 1 week, 10 days, at least some 45 days to 50 days, right? With a very good package. Anyone, so any non-IT people or IT people, anybody, we have a lot of courses. Even in our institute also, we have the different courses. But still, I would prefer, so this is a best course which is giving more job easily. Even in the last batch and all, I just made a research. So that's why I'm recommending this course highly, because we are going to cover the topics in such a way. That's why we are calling us Informatica IICS Combo online training. Okay. So what is Informatica IICS Combo online training, right? So what is IICS Combo training, first of all? So why we are calling us IICS Combo training? That we will see. So, and why it is very much important in the current market scenario. Okay, previously before some 2 years, I cannot say that this is the best course. Even Informatica PowerCenter itself, that is very sufficient for the previous scenario. But today, that is for 2025, if you learn Informatica PowerCenter, that much demand is not there. If you learn Informatica PowerCenter alone. Okay. So what is this? What and all we are going to cover in this ISS combo training? We are going to cover definitely Informatica PowerCenter also. We are not going to skip Informatica PowerCenter, because for Informatica PowerCenter is the very base. So that is like a bachelor degree. Okay. We cannot learn Informatica IICS directly without leaving Informatica PowerCenter. That is not a correct process. We cannot jump into master degree without completing a bachelor degree, right? Same process only. So the IICS, whatever the IDMC, whatever we are going to learn, that is basically everything is coming from Informatica PowerCenter. The root is Informatica PowerCenter. Of course, it is having a lot of extra benefits and features in IDMC, but still that is a kind of Informatica PowerCenter version only, with an advanced version, we can say, with cloud. That is what IICS or IDMC, right? So what we are going to learn, Informatica PowerCenter and also Informatica IICS IDMC also in this combo training with SQL, with Snowflake. Why we made this kind of a combo? So this combo will get a lot of calls for you. Okay. So those who are joined in the LMS, I hope my voice is clear for both LMS and also Zoom link.
Free religion. Right.
So, yeah, am I audible clearly in both Zoom and Zoom link and also LMS portal? Yeah, hope my voice is clear. Yeah, thank you. Yes. So, what we are going to cover? We are going to cover Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica IICS IDMC, SQL, but not the way what you are thinking. Okay, you may think I will complete the complete Informatica PowerCenter, then I will come to IICS IDMC. No, that is not the way we are going to teach here. Okay, it is entirely different, and also it is not to make some difference simply. So this is the best method to learn Informatica for the current market scenario. Okay, it is very much important also, right? So so learning in the same session, topic wise. How? Okay, topic wise means you take any session. Okay, there is a, you all know. Okay, I don't want to explain what is ETL, what is Informatica Power Center. Many of you know, right? So if you don't know, also I will tell that just to understand this. In the coming, I will tell you what is ETL, what is Power Center. I'm just directly jumping into the session because I know many of you know what is Informatica Power Center and also what is Informatica IICS and all. Okay. So suppose today we are going to learn a topic called joins. How we are going to cover? Today I'm assume that we are having a join session today. We are going to learn in a parallel way, that is, first we'll start with SQL joins. Okay, what is joins in SQL? What is joins in SQL? What are the types in SQL? The joins. Okay, then we'll go through the joins in Informatica Power Center practically. Then joins in IICS, joins in Snowflake. Okay, it is not that we are going to cover all the topics in Snowflake also, because some of the topics may be not there in Snowflake. Wherever it is matching with the topic, definitely we will cover in the Snowflake also. Okay, so why, if you ask, if you learn in this way, you cannot even forget the topic. You will become the master immediately. Okay, you give me the session in 360-degree. Whatever the way you ask, joins, I can do the joins in SQL, I can do the joins in Informatica Power Center, I can do the joins in IICS. I know the joins concept in Snowflake as well. So this will give a lot of confidence in your mind. And also, this is very much important for the current market scenario, because many of the Informatica Power Center using clients, they are migrating to the cloud. Okay, that is IICS. So they will be expecting the knowledge on Power Center and also IICS. So many of the people, they are learning directly IICS. It is strongly not recommended. Okay, you cannot directly learn IICS. You cannot learn only Informatica Power Center also. Okay, because Informatica Power Center alone, if you learn, there is no much demand for the current market scenario. Okay, if you learn IICS also, that is also like a jumping to a different level, next level without, right? So that I recommend strongly Informatica Power Center and also IICS in the same. And also Snowflake, to get more calls, the number of calls also, to increase the number of calls, I'm recommending IICS also in this. That is Snowflake also. Okay. Yeah, Snowflake also, if it is there, that is a very big advantage. Snowflake is also a highly, it is also having, it is giving a lot of calls. Okay, good demand is there for Snowflake as well. Even if you learn only Snowflake also, you can survive. But overall, if you have this much skill, your confidence level and your job security is very, very high. Okay, because if something is not there, I can survive with something else. Okay, if you are good in Power Center, yes, you can join for Informatica Power Center. If you are good in IICS, yes. If you are Snowflake, any one skill will give a good job immediately for you. Don't want to wait for calls. Okay. So that's why after made a lot of research, this combo is helping a lot of people to get the job very easily in a very short time. So in the current batch also, we completed the last batch, 10th batch. So uh, we had 25 people in the batch. Already 8 people got the job. Okay. If you want the details, you can call me. I can share the details of those students and all. Out of 25, 8 people have got the job. So other 5 people will get the job within some 10 days. They are keep on attending the interviews. How we are achieving so fast, that I will tell the secret today. Okay. What is the process we are following to get the job very easily and with before completing the session also. Okay. So let us first of all to get a job. So the students should have the hungry. I should get the job immediately. That attitude you have to, that visualization you have to start from the day one itself. You have to make a visualization. I should get the job before completing the session. That is before 45 session. That program you have to make in your mind. With that program, you can start to attend the live session. Okay. Then you follow the process, whatever I'm telling, that process will bring the job very, very easily. Okay. So don't think that we will complete the live session day 45, then we will go for interview. Not like that. Okay. So our method is entirely different. This entirely, this method is made a lot of research with the last batches. So definitely it is working. So it's not something like dream. Okay. It's really working. And again, it is proving also. Okay. So topic wise, I already told, right? Joins. So aggregation, same only example I'm telling. Today we are in the aggregation session. We'll do the aggregation in SQL, aggregation in Informatica PowerCenter, aggregation in IICS, aggregation in Snowflake also, right? So definitely, okay. Why combo training? So as I already told, suppose today we are in the filter. We'll do the filter in Informatica PowerCenter. We'll do the filter in IICS and filter logics in SQL. Okay, for example, select star from employees, whatever is there. We'll see some real-time examples for some 15 to 20 minutes on SQL of the same topic. How we will do the filter in SQL. Okay, what are the different methods is there? Then come to the Informatica PowerCenter, then IICS with some advanced logics, whatever we are using in the real time. Okay, even in the current batch and wherever I'm doing the current project, I can show some of the topics in that as well, so that you will feel like, okay, I am in the real time. Okay. Yeah. So same way, expression logic. How we are going to do the expression in the Informatica PowerCenter, how we are going to do the Informatica IICS expression, and what is the expression logics in SQL. So this much is more than enough. You don't want to learn in a separate batch. You don't want to pay a separate fees. You don't want to spend your time separately for PowerCenter, IICS. You don't want to learn PowerCenter separately. You don't want to learn IICS separately. You don't want to learn SQL separately. Everything will go in a parallel way within some 1.5 hour daily. Okay. We'll cover 1.5 hour to 2 hour maximum. Daily, our normally we plan to complete within 1.5 hour, but before 2 hour we will complete. Okay. It will not cross more than 2 hours. So more than 2 hours, it is difficult to attend also, to take also, right? So yeah, right. So like this router, how to do the router in PowerCenter, how to do the router in IICS. Any similar logic is there in SQL. Any similar logic is there in Snowflake. Yes, right. Like this. Yeah. So again, we'll see why IICS combo training. right? So first of all, you can save the money. You don't want to pay a separate fees, okay, for PowerCenter, IICS. Time also will be saved. Time means normally any batch will take 2 months. PowerCenter separate batch. Assume 2 months. And IICS 2 months, 4 months totally. If you learn SQL and Snowflake, minimum you take 1 month. Again, it will take 5 to 6 months. But we are going to cover everything in the 45 days. Okay. Fees also, if you see, if you learn Informatica PowerCenter in the market, the fees will be like 12,000 to 16,000 in the market. Okay. You take any trainings. I don't want to specifically tell about any training. Common trainings available in the market. Okay. Minimum charges will be 12,000 to 16,000. Right. IICS 12,000 to 15,000 again. Okay. Maybe it will be more than this also, because CDI and CAI, if you normally, CAI will be taken as a separate batch in most of the trainings, but we are not going to make CAIA as a separate batch. CAI also will be included in the same batch. Okay. CDI and CAI will cover in the same batch. We are not going to make it as a separate batch. And Snowflake, minimum price you just plan 10,000 to 12,000, right? What is the total price? Total 40,000 rupees. Okay. To learn this, and it will take minimum 4 months. I'm telling about the market trainings, whatever available. Based on that, the price and the time consumption, I'm telling total duration. Okay. So, what about our training? Okay. What is the fees and duration at our training institute? Okay. So we are going to charge only 9,600. That is also, you don't want to completely pay at a one shot. You can pay first half of the payment and you can start and pay the remaining after 14 session. You just observe whether it is suitable for me, whether it is really important for me. If you are interested, you can continue after 14 sessions. Otherwise, if you are not at all interested, if you have a genuine reason, you can get the refund of half of the payment also. You have the complete security about your money. Nothing to worry. Okay. If you want, you can take the half of the amount as a refund. Or if you paid full amount also, you can get the complete refund if you have a genuine reason. Okay. Yeah. Then, so what is the fees and duration? Right. So duration, total 9,600, duration 45 to 48 days. And daily we are going to have 1.5 to 2 hour session. Total it will come around 80 plus hours. So we have the dedicated 24/7 technical support team also. So in the daytime, I will be most of the time available to give this reply for your calls. Okay. So even in the live session also, we are not going to mute anyone. Okay. You will have the complete freedom to ask any question. We are not going to mute. You can clear your doubt in the live session itself. Okay. And many of you may think why we are charging so less price. Okay. Our intention is to support the lot of struggling people. Okay. Lot of non-IT people, they are having very less salary by working in the non-IT. We are completely focusing on those people to bring them to the IT job very easily, because this course is very much suitable for the non-IT people also, because there is no any codings or nothing in this. Simply drag and drop options. If you learn how to make a drag and drop, then you can become a ETL developer. That is also highly paying IICS cloud developer. There is no much complex in this. So in that way, we will give the complete session. So definitely it is suitable for any non-IT people. Okay. And struggling in many of the people are in Java or Python. Even after getting the lot of experience, 5 to 10 years experience, coding is always a trouble only. If you don't want to make any coding and all, simply you can skip that and you can go for a Informatica cloud developer job. Okay. So best way. You don't want to be always keep on doing the codings and all. And many of them are not having a proper guidance that we will give that. Okay. So many of them want to join some training, but they will not have much money due to their scenario. Okay. So we need to support them also. So we are not completely focused on the already the people who are in the IT. Yes, it is open for everyone, but still our first priority and first focus on the really struggling people. Okay. Yes. Then day 1 to day 4, first of all, the how the structure will go. Day 1 to day 4, we'll have the basic SQL session, topic wise. Okay. So how it will go? Okay, first we will have the complete SQL session only for 4 days. 4 days means what are the things we are going to learn? First, in the day 4, day 1 to day 4, we will have the common sessions about single row functions, what is SQL, primary key, and different keys and all, right? And single row functions, all these things will cover. And after the day 5, we'll go in a parallel way. Example, joins, rank, aggregation. Like this, first SQL, we will have the 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and IICS will have and IICS will have 35 to 40 minutes. Okay. Then Informatica PowerCenter will have 25 minutes. So IICS is the top priority. Okay. That's why we are calling as IICS combo training. So the target is IICS only, but you don't want to learn IICS separately. You should have to come through the proper procedure, proper route. That is SQL, PowerCenter, IICS. So SQL 15 minutes, IPC, that is Informatica PowerCenter 25 minutes. IICS will go more real time because Informatica PowerCenter will have the basic sessions. Then IICS will have the advanced session also, so that you can able to see the difference between the PowerCenter and also IICS platform very, very clearly. So you will be the master even in the Informatica PowerCenter also, and also SQL also, because without SQL we can't crack any of the interview. You may be very master, you might be mastered all the concepts in IICS. You know all the features in IICS, but if you are not strong in SQL, it's difficult to crack the interview, right? So definitely we'll give the equal priority for SQL also. So if you know this much, yes, confidently you can say that I can crack the interview, right? Yeah, yeah. No issue. You can be in the LMS portal. No need to be joined to the Zoom link. I hope both of you in the LMS portal and also Zoom can able to hear the voice clearly. Yeah, yeah, correct. No issue. You can be in LMS portal. No issue. Okay, many of you have not received the LMS portal, so that some of you not received, you can be in the Zoom link itself. No need to join in the LMS portal. Both session are same only, no difference at all. Yes. Yeah. Now, IICS with advanced topics. Lot of advanced topics available in the Informatica PowerCenter IICS compared to the Informatica PowerCenter. So whatever the sessions, the basic sessions in the PowerCenter, everything will cover. And IICS will go with more advanced topics because those topics is not available in Informatica PowerCenter. Like whatever we are going to do, the migration and migration session and hierarchy, parser, schema, right? Hierarchy sessions and also Excel loadings. So we cannot use the Excel sheet in the Informatica PowerCenter. We can able to use even the Excel sheet also in IICS. Lot of advanced sessions available in the IICS compared to the Informatica PowerCenter. So in that case, we cannot compare with PowerCenter. But remaining all of the sessions we will cover with Informatica PowerCenter and IICS. Yeah. So who can join? Who can join this? Any Informatica PowerCenter developers, if you want to move to that IICS cloud, yes, you are 100% suitable. So that is very important also. You cannot depend only on Informatica PowerCenter job right now because everyone is migrating, and also you cannot get better increment with only PowerCenter skill. You should have to upgrade to IICS. This is the time. Okay. Any IT professionals. Okay. If you want to get a hike, definitely you can go for this because this IICS developer is having good salary. So people are our students, they are taking 25, 30 lakhs, 35 lakhs easily. Okay. It's not something very difficult. Okay. So that you can simply in the current batch, if you want, I can share one number also. His name is Srikanth, and one more person, Babu. His current salary was 5.5 lakhs. He got a job with just last week. Before completing the session itself, he cracked the interview. He got the offer for 9.5 lakhs. By keeping that 9.5 lakhs, he got another offer for 12 lakhs. By keeping the 12 lakhs, he got another offer for 15 lakhs. From 5.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs, he reached very easily. He is going to get that offer by another 2 days. Okay, but currently he is having two offers in his hand up to 12 lakhs. Okay, another person, Babu, he also similar only. He got up to 13 lakhs. So I told him to let us, because his experience is less only, 4 years experience only, so that don't take too much risk. So if your salaries keep on increasing, your work pressure also will be there. Okay, just join whatever you got. After 6 months or 1 year, you can change another company. Then you can reach 15, 20 lakhs easily, right? So it's very easily, we can keep on move. We can take the increments. That is also he got an offer today only. By keeping the same offer, he is demanding for 12 lakhs. So it's very, very common. Even in the previous batches, many times it has happened. So Informatica IICS developers, if you are already working in Informatica IICS developer job, if you want to learn more advanced concepts with more depth, yes, this batch is very much suitable. And anyone, if you are from the non-IT, you may be in any sales job, or if you are working in any banking sector, if you are working as any job, something, okay, any kind of non-IT job, yes, you can come to this because we are going to give the complete guidance with SQL, PowerCenter, and IICS. Okay, any graduates, but I recommend at least some 1 year experience should be there. I'm not taking the freshers here. So freshers, still, if you want to join, you can join, but that is not a recommended. So freshers, I am not much recommending here. Okay, if you want to learn, that is your interest. But okay, so freshers, I'm not much recommending. If you want to learn SQL, yes, I'll give SQL. First, you learn SQL. If you are a fresher, don't join. Don't think that I will get a immediately IICS developer. No, don't do that. First, you master SQL very well. I will give all the documents for free. Just to go through that for 6 months, 1 year. Then that 1 year you can make something, and you can make. If you are a fresher, don't join this session immediately. Okay, it is not much recommended. Then, yeah, some of the people, they ask regularly. I just made some questions here. Can I learn Informatica PowerCenter separately? No. So no much calls. Okay. Don't learn Informatica PowerCenter separately. Can I learn Informatica IICS directly? No. So without PC and SQL, without PowerCenter and SQL, it is not recommended to learn IICS. So as I already told, Informatica PowerCenter, it is like a bachelor degree, and IICS, it is like a master degree. Okay, but we are going to cover both PowerCenter and IICS in the same batch. Right. Now, what are the features we are going to provide? So we are going to give in a parallel way, and we are having the portals. What is the portal? You can join through the LMS portal, right? And we are having the interactive session. We are going to not going to mute anyone. That's why we are taking some limited people. Okay, I also can do a lot of big marketings to take hundreds of people. That is not correct actually, because we have to mute everyone. If I mute everyone, you can't ask the questions. If you are not able to ask the question, you can't learn. Okay, so you should have the complete freedom to ask the questions. So we have to answer there itself, because if I say after completing all the sessions, you ask the questions, that is, you may forget the question itself. And with a doubted mind, you can't attend the session itself. If you have a doubt, we have to clear there itself. Maybe the same doubt will be there for others also. It will be helpful for them also. Okay, because all the people are not same. Some people may not ask the questions even if they are having the doubt. So we are completely allowing everyone to ask the doubts. Some of them only will ask the doubts. Not everybody will speak out also, right? So that people will helping others to clear the doubts in their mind. Of course, we are not going to allow to get the doubt. We are going to completely everything. Then access in web portal. We are having the web portal, and also we are having the separate Android app and also iOS app also. You can get the access of our recordings and also live sessions. You can attend through our Android app and also iOS app also. Okay, and also through the laptop. Web portal also is there. So recording daily we'll share the recording, and it will be definitely lifetime access. We are not going to restrict in the recording access and all. Okay. Then we'll have the complete real-time projects. 2 real-time projects will be there. Anyone, okay, healthcare, insurance and banking, right? Or any other retail, okay. Some 2 real-time projects definitely we are going to cover, right? And we will have the weekend active quizzes will be there. That is, we'll have the instant prize also. Okay, first prize will be 500 rupees, second prize 300 rupees. So everyone can able to engage, right? So immediately we'll pay the amount also. Whoever is getting the first prize, second prize, third prize. Yes. Then job oriented, whatever is there, we are going to cover. We'll tell you the process. Okay. What are the process we are going to do here? Okay, real-time projects will take some retail or banking, insurance, healthcare. Okay, normally we'll go for some very depth. Okay, like Takeda Pharmaceuticals. Last batch we have taken the Takeda Pharmaceuticals. It's one of the biggest company of the healthcare in the US. So that project we are going to cover, and also we covered the Axis Bank as a project. Okay, or any other many batches we are not going to cover the same. Every batch we will change the project also. Yes. Then what are the process? I told, right, there is some secret to get the job immediately. That is before completing the session. What is the secret? I'll just tell that secret now. So this method is helping us. What is the method? From the day one, when the people join, immediately we'll give all the documents. From the day one itself, you can start to read those documents. We'll have the 100 plus documents. What is that? Interview question answers. Okay. So separate interview question answers will be there for IICS, PowerCenter, and SQL and Snowflake also. Okay. Just go through that. Assume that you are in a degree college. There will cover at least 5, 6 topics, 5 subjects. Like that you can assume, but that much pressure definitely will not be there. It's very easy. It's not like degree completion, right? So that is different, but it's very easy. Why I am comparing is, so that much capacity we have to learn multiple topics. That is also parallelly topic wise. joins in SQL, joins in PowerCenter, joins in IICS, joins in Snowflake. Like this, if you learn, it will be very, very easy, right? Then we'll give the complete notes, exercises. Exercise is very, very important. And mapping documents. Our mapping documents is very, very nice. We'll have the complete screenshots for each and every step. Just by following the mapping documents, you can able to do the mapping by yourself. So to practice, we'll give all the files like JSON file, XML file, param file, CSV file, Excel file, so many files. Okay. So these documents we will submit on day one itself. Okay. Yes. Then after the day 20, we are going to prepare the resume preparation and Naukri profile and experience settings. Experience setting means I think you all understand, right? So if you are having real time experience, that is very, very great. If you are not currently working, then we have to do some special plans for experience. Okay. So we have to take the experience documents, what we can do. I will give the complete guidance with a very easy way, with a practical way. Okay. If you are having gap, if you are having 6 month gap, I will tell, let us try with the 6 month gap only. No need to go for any fake experience. Okay. I'm not directly telling everyone, please go through the fake experience. But some cases we have to go through that also because the market is forcing us, right? If you tell genuinely, due to some health issue, I have a gap of 2 years, nobody is giving the job. Without job, how shall we sit, right? In that case, I would recommend go for fake experience. Okay. Not for all the cases. That is how we have to manage. If you tell me genuinely nobody is hearing, that also we have seen ethically. We also very much interested to do follow the ethics, but the market is not like that. What to do, right? In that case, we have to go for fake experience. So to go for the fake experience, whatever the support that and all, I will give the complete support. Yeah, someone, yeah, Banu, please tell me your doubt. You can unmute and you can tell.
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am Informatica MDM developer.
Okay.
So I can go through this, right? Power Center and IACS.
Yeah, it's very much suitable for you. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. It's more
Yeah.
than it.
Yes. Okay. Now, completely, I will take care. Okay. So, anybody can call me directly anytime, unless in the night time we have the team to support 24/7 support is there. Most of the times, I'm also available. I will give another, I have two mobile numbers. I'll give another two mobile numbers also. They will support for everything. Most of the time, you can, I will also support. Yeah. Then 23rd session. First we have seen day 1. Next we have seen day 20. Correct? First day 1 will submit all the documents to you. Day 20 will prepare your profile settings. Because simply learning there is no point. How to crack the interview, how to show ourselves, how to present our profile, that is most important. Okay. So that will be day 20. Day 23. On day 23, totally we are having day 45. Out of day 45, on day 23, personally, I will take the first mock interview. Okay. So this is my recommendation, but this is not a mandatory. Some people will be very much interested. Let me complete all the sessions first, then I will come for mock interview. That is your wish. But my recommendation, you can attend the mock interview on 23rd session itself. So based on the interest of the student, it is not a force, and I will give the complete SWOT analysis of the student. Okay. And also, it is not mandatory to switch on the video. Okay. 1 second. 1 second, please. Yeah. So it's not mandatory to switch on the video because this is not a real time interview. You don't want to switch on the video if you are not interested. If you want, you can switch on so that it will be a. But in the real time interview, you have to switch on the video. But here, it's optional. You can switch off your video. You can talk also. Maybe some of you, I don't want to force. Okay. So recording plus sharing. If you want, I will record. After recording, I will share the recording also for you of that mock interview. And if you want, you can switch on the video or you can switch off. That is your wish. So if you have done well, if you have done the mock interview well, if you are interested, I can upload that video in our YouTube channel also. If you are interested, if you are wish. Okay. That is also if you are done well. It's not simply if you performed well in the mock interview, I will upload that video in our YouTube channel. If you permit, if you are interested. That is one thing. Then day 25, you can start to you can see the market immediately. Don't wait for all the sessions to complete. Day 25, attending the real-time interview. Simply attend the real-time interview. We are not going to crack immediately, I know very well. You also know very well. Simply attend the first real-time interview just as a trial. Simply blindly you attend some 3 interviews without any expectation. Simply attend 3 interviews from the day 25. Okay. So after the day 25, I will tell the techniques how to record that real-time interview. Okay. I will tell some how to record that interview itself so that the audio recording and all I will tell you. Then you can share those questions in our WhatsApp group, in the students WhatsApp group. Even others also will share the interview question in the WhatsApp group. So you all will combine the questions. You will get a lot of questions. Then we will discuss in the session. Okay, this is the question, this is the answer. This is the question, this is the answer. And you also can discuss in our group itself. Okay. So we'll review on the interview question answers. We'll sit every week. Okay, these are the questions I received. This is the answer I want to make. Okay. Then crack the next interview. Again, attend with the next time. So up to 3 interviews, it's difficult to crack the interview. Then after the third interview, real-time interview, 99% or at least 90% you will go to interview. We will crack the interview. Okay. So we will prepare for that. Okay. Then after the day 35, we'll have the second mock interview. We'll keep on review. Okay, what is your scenario? Are you able to crack the interview? Are you getting calls? Or if you are stuck somewhere, where is the problem? Whether you are having a confidence issue, you are not having much motivation, or you may have some personal issues, right? So whatever it may be, if you reveal to me, I can give some better suggestion. Because the mind is most important to work on this. Without the support of mind, we cannot attend the interview, we cannot crack the interview, we cannot work also. First of all, how to keep the mind very secure way. That I will give some secrets I'll tell you. Okay. While in the session itself, I'll tell you. Because I've seen many of them, they will have good skills due to not proper management of the mind. They are not able to work. They are not able to crack the interview. They will have good skills. They are rank students even, but still due to some issues, whatever it may be, just leave it and do the right job. Whatever this is, that is important. I will tell some techniques is there. I'll tell you that also. Okay. Then the day 35, we'll have the second mock interview. I will give the same method only. Again, if you want to switch on the video, you can switch on. Same method only. Then so we expect before 40 or 45 session, you will crack the interview. Okay. If not cracked, we will have a third mock interview. Okay. If not cracked your interview before 45 session, we will have a third mock interview. Again, it is the same process. Right? Next. So after day 45, we will have the complete and continuous support till you get the job. Whatever the way, whether experience issue, you are not able to crack the interview, or whatever it may be. If you cracked the interview, we'll start to give the free job support for 2 months, not 3 months. 2 months we are going to give the free job support. So even now also the previous jobs, whatever the people got the job, they are getting the job supports. So it's not 3 months, up to 2 months we are going to give the free job support. Okay. So this is more than enough to survive. And so batch details. So we are having the morning batch, and you can consider only these two batches, that is 7:15 a.m. to 9 p.m. 9 a.m. and this one. I mentioned 8:30 here. It is not 8:30, 8 o'clock. Evening we will have 8 o'clock and 8 o'clock to 9:30 to 10 o'clock. So these batches, it is not currently running. We are having the morning one batch and evening one batch. Okay. So yes. So Informatica PowerCenter. Okay, laptop. If you ask about, okay, what kind of laptop I can use or whatever, right? Yeah, certification. Yeah, you can crack the, yeah, we will give the certificate. First of all, we will also give the certification, means we'll give the certificates from our institute also, but that is not very much, nobody is going to ask a certificate from a particular training institute, but you can go for the standard certifications. Of course, officially we will give the certificate, from the institute we will give the certificate. Due to some reasons, if you want, you can take. That is, you can download anytime in our portal. After enrolled, after some 1 month, you can able to download the certificate. Anybody can download easily. So certification from the Informatica is very much important. Sometimes it's not mandatory. If you have a certification, it's great actually. Okay. So that we are having the complete document and support for that also to crack the official Informatica certification also. That is not mandatory again. Okay. So our goal is to get a job, right? So that you can achieve with our training itself, with our support itself. So if you are using laptop, the laptop minimum requirements I'm telling. So you should have at least for Informatica PowerCenter, minimum 6 GB RAM should be there. If you are having a very basic laptop, minimum 6 GB RAM should be there. And Informatica PowerCenter, it is a on-premises ETL tool, as I already told. IICS Cloud, it is a cloud ETL tool. Okay, then if you are having 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, it's very, very great. Okay, and free space in the local disk C, you should have at least 100 GB free space should be there, because it is a huge software, Informatica PowerCenter. So compared to IICS, if you have some 20 GB free space, that is more than enough. So it can be supported with Windows 10 or Windows 11 also. So Windows 8 or, yeah, everybody will be using Windows 8 at least, right? You can able to upgrade to 10 or 11, Windows 10 or 11, it is suitable for both. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So I will tell you some of the So what we are going to learn, right? So let us go to our website first of all. So rishabinformaticagroup.com is our website. So here itself I mentioned what is ISS combo training, why we have to learn parallelly, all these things, right? So our courses, okay, it's not like something marketing, okay, but our intention is to support the really struggling people. That's why, yes. So this is the course, Informatica ISS combo batch 11, view details, and you can enroll here. So if you want to join with half of the amount, yes, I will set the price for half of the amount. You can click on that and you can join. Okay, this one. Next, how to install? How to install the softwares? If you ask, what are the softwares we are going to install? So go to our YouTube channel. We are having the complete videos. What are the software you have to install? We need to install 4 softwares. We need to install 4 softwares for the batch. So you have to install first of all Oracle 11G. Okay, Oracle 11G you have to install. That I have given the completely here, and also we are having the installation guide also. So you can just follow this Oracle 11G installation video. This one, Oracle 11G installation video. Next, you need to install Informatica PowerCenter 10.2. Here it is there. And then you want to install Informatica IICS IDMC. And then you want to install Snowflake. Okay. Here we have the Snowflake trial account creation video. Here we have the Snowflake connection with IICS video, right? So you can use all these 5 videos and successfully you can able to install within some maximum 2-3 hours. You can able to complete the installation maximum within some 2-3 hours. You can able to install everything. So then you are ready for the session. Okay. So any installation you can do or our team also will do. We have the complete support for that as well. But I recommend you try to install yourself so that is also a experience for you. Okay. If you stuck, we are there to support. Otherwise, we will completely support to, we will install and give you, no issue. Okay. Yeah. Next. What are the sessions? I will just open the syllabus. Okay. What is the syllabus? Completely we are going to cover. Okay. Yeah. You can go through the, yes. You can take the installation guide also. We have the complete installation guide also for everything. You no need to follow the video. So following video is sometimes it is a difficult task. Simply you can go through the document, fast installation you can do. Just follow the everything you have given here, right? Like a step by step we have given the with the screenshots. So it's you can install very fast by following the guide, because here also completely we have given everything with complete instruction, all the instructions given here, how to install PowerCenter, IICS, everything. Okay, you can follow the guide or you can follow the video, that is your wish. If you don't want to follow both, yes, we will install and give, no issue. Yeah. Next, I will show the syllabus, course content. So this is the course content. So what are the topics daily we are going to cover, right? Okay. So these things and all I already explained, right? So IICS cloud batch details. We had two batches like IICS cloud and IICS combo. So I recommend everyone to join the combo itself. Okay. If you want only IICS, please let me know. We have the batch for that as well. Okay. But my recommendation, IISS combo is better than IISS cloud batch. IISS cloud means we will not cover Snowflake, we will not cover Informatica PowerCenter, we will cover only SQL and IICS. Okay. So if some of you are very much interested with that, yes, you can join that as well. Only IICS and SQL you will learn. Yeah. So course content, day one. Day one, what is ETL real-time examples and importance of data analyzation, the list of companies failed. Why ETL tool? Without using ETL tool, what happened to the companies? Why they started to use the ETL tool? Then what is the real-time examples for ETL tool? The current companies, the current big companies who are all using the ETL tools, which ETL tool they are using? What is the demand for Informatica ETL tool? Okay, that and all we'll see. So if they not use the ETL tools, what will happen to them? That also I'll tell you, right? So then importance of SQL for a ETL developer. Okay, so SQL is a basic thing. Without SQL, you can't skip SQL. We'll give the equal priority for SQL also, right? So common languages of SQL databases, different on-premises cloud databases, and we'll have next session, we'll have the SQL constraints, practical real-time scenario of constraints, discussion on this, and single row functions. And day 5, we'll have the architectures. What are the architectures? PowerCenter architecture, project architecture, IICS architecture, and data warehouse concepts on the day 5. And day 6, we'll have the complete installations. We'll confirm whether all of you have installed or not. We'll make a track with everyone. If you are not able to install from the day 1, you can start to attend the installation. Okay, you can start to do the installation. At day 6, we will make sure you all should be installed, all the softwares. What is that? Oracle, PowerCenter, IICS, Snowflake, and connections also. Okay. Then one by one, we'll go through the transformations. So filter transformation in what is filter in SQL? Filter concepts in SQL, then Informatica, then IICS and Snowflake. Okay. So we'll see all the, yes. Then source qualifier transformation. What is the source transformation? What is the source qualifier? Source qualifier transformation is in Informatica PowerCenter. Source transformation in IICS. What is the difference? Naming convention differences. And we will have the complete practical session on PowerCenter and IICS and Snowflake. What is the similar topic is there? And we'll see the source qualifier filter differences because entirely the filter SQL filter, source qualifier filter, Informatica PowerCenter filter. Practically, we will compare with everything, right? Parallel mapping will do. Parallel mapping means what? PowerCenter and IICS. Then at the end of the session, we'll go through the interview question answers. For the similar, all the topics, end of the session, we'll go through some at least 7-8 interview question and answers for that particular topic. This is how we'll go. Okay. Then expression. All the transformations will cover like this. Expression in SQL, expression in PowerCenter, expression in IICS, and same topic available in Snowflake. Yes, that also, right? Router. Intelligent structure model, ISM. How to use the Excel file. Whether this topic is available in PowerCenter or not, right? Then real-time scenarios. How to use the Excel file. Then joiner transformation. So what are the joins in SQL, PowerCenter, IICS? How to do the joins? Why joins, first of all? What is the scenario is creating to go for joins? Why we are doing the joins? All these things will cover heterogeneous joins, homogeneous joins, everything. Then different loadings. What is different loadings? Different loading means, so table to table, table to flat file to table, and JSON and XML and Excel file. This is called different loadings. And file listing, indirect file loading, Salesforce, Salesforce to flat files, overview on JSON and XML loadings. Advanced topics will be there. Okay. Then interview question answers, rank transformation, how to do the rank, dense rank, and SQL and rank transformation in PC and IICS, real-time logics. Okay. Why we are doing the ranks and all. Then aggregation, same only everything. Aggregation also same scenarios. Then macros, horizontal macros, vertical macros, hybrid macros, right? Then union transformation, how to do, what is unions, what is the difference between union in SQL and PowerCenter and IICS, what is the difference between SQL union and Informatica union, and minus, intersect, all these things will cover. Then lookup transformation, lookup in PowerCenter, lookup in IICS. Any similar topic is available in SQL and Snowflake. Yes, we'll check that as well. Then unconnected lookup. Then sequence generator. We'll do the sequence generator in PowerCenter and IICS. Hierarchy schema, parser, builder. It's entirely coming only in the IICS. There is no any PowerCenter topic in this. It is exclusively for IICS only, right? So what is, these are some higher, some advanced topics. Then sorter in IICS, sorter in PowerCenter, sorting in SQL. Then parameterizations, parameters and variables, and CDC, change data capture will come in variable, so real time. Then SCD will start. SCD 0, SCD 1, SCD 2, SCD 3, SCD 4, SCD 5. So overview will have on SCD 1, SCD up to 3. So I will give the explanation what is 0, what is 4, what is 5 and all. But the practical session will be there on SCD 1, SCD 2, SCD 3. So that is what the real time. Then slowly changing dimension in practical. So complete mapping. Okay, this also slowly changing dimension will be there. Date 25, 26. And what is surrogate key? Why surrogate key? How to use the surrogate key? Methods of SCD2, right? So we will have the slowly changing dimension up to 4 sessions to cover all the PowerCenter and IICS. We will do the mapping in PowerCenter. So these are some complex mappings in PowerCenter and IICS. Okay. So methods of SCD2, SCD3, right? Then we'll have, so here I mentioned mock interview at day 28. Actually, day 23 itself, you can attend the mock interview based on whatever you learned so far. Then you can start to attend the, after 23rd session, you can attend the mock interview, right? So profile diagnosing, SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat, how to prepare for interview, resume preparation, start attending the, so I will have the direct support. Then reusable concepts in PC and IICS, mappings on Maplet Designer, Maplet, right, in PowerCenter and IICS. Then we'll have some epoch converter practical sessions and all. And CDC variables separately also we'll have mapping on change data capture in PowerCenter IICS. So workflow level task and the task flow. So in PowerCenter we calling as workflow level. In IICS we call as task flow. And we'll have the comparative sessions for each and every task. Okay, these are some very important sessions. Different tasks in IICS, masking task, PowerCenter task, data transfer task, all these things will cover. Then different task flows in IICS, maplet from PowerCenter, target loader, all these things will cover. Different task flows in IICS, IDMC part 2 also will be there. And the complex mappings. Okay. So I will show some at least 3-4 real-time complex mappings examples, so that many interviews they will ask, have you gone through any complex mappings or complex scenarios? How to answer those questions? How to approach interviews, right? So by this time, you have to attend the second mock interview. After the day 25, you can start to attend the real-time interview. Okay. Then performance tuning. It's very, very interesting and very, very important also. How to do the performance tuning, how to do the partitions, how to do the partitions in IICS, how to do the partitions in PowerCenter, what are the methods if we are having PDO, that is push down optimization, real time techniques to improve the performance. Then day 37, deployment process. What about the versioning in PowerCenter and IICS, import and export, code migration? This is called migration session. I will tell you the some different data migration. Some we have some migration factory, right? A review on migration factory. So how the real time they are migrating multiple tasks at a time to IICS. So as of now, if you see, you can able to do one by one only, but in real time they are using some migration tool. What are those tools? Example, migration factory, right? So this is very important. Project explanations, how to explain your project. Okay. So different environments in real-time projects, agile and waterfall. Normally we will use the agile only, not the waterfall. So these are the different environments, dev, test, UAT, production. Like that, we'll have the project explanations and real-time tools installation guidance about the Linux platform. So you can install Unix also in your Windows machine. Yes. So we can able to practice the Unix also important. Unix, because all the interviews they will ask Unix at least some 3 questions they will ask, some commands, Unix commands, so that you can able to install the Unix in your Windows machine and you can able to practice. Okay, then so second mock interview I mentioned here, it is actually third mock interview. Okay, so previously I was doing like this, the same document it is there here, but by the end of day, yeah, second mock interview. So after the 40 sessions, you can go for third mock interview also. So I will do the SWOT analysis also for you. Okay. Then macros in IICS. Yeah. So vertical macros, horizontal macros and all. Once again, I will take. Then we'll go for, after this, we'll go for interview question answers. Completely interview question answer session. We'll go through different questions so that it is a very peak time. Everybody will be attending the interviews. They will be showing their success and they will be telling this is what the interview attended today. They will share the interview question and answers in the group. So you can also share whatever your experience happening at the time. Everybody will be in the fire mode. Okay, I want to crack the interview, right? You will be in that busy. Okay, this is completed. Then part B. What is the part B? That is called CAI. So CAI will have, what are the sessions? We'll have at least 8 sessions on CAI. Okay. First of all, what is CAI? CAI means, so many of us, we are using the online apps. Online app means what? Day-to-day life, we are not running the life without CAI. We are completely depending on the CAI only without knowing to us. We are using the phone pay, GPay, and any online bookings like Redbus or flight bookings or anything. Most of the things, it is a working through a application programming interface, API. Okay, so that how to, will give the complete introduction on day 1, introduction on web service, introduction on API and CAI, and API real-time usage with examples. So what is SOAP API? What is REST API? what is JSON, what is XML, and why and how to install Postman, what is Postman, how to install CI with process server. So we need to install, by this time, you need to install the IICS once again with CAI option. The first time you will install the basic CAI with the CDI only. So this time you will install once again with the CAI option also. It will have a separate link to install the CAI. Second time you will install the IICS for the second time to get the CAI feature also. Okay. Next, enabling API. So implementing the process in API and start to publish we'll do a basic application and we will publish and we can able to see that. And then we'll go through the real time. Some APIs like weather API. Okay. So how to use the weather API in our CAI and how to use the COVID API in our CAI. At least some 3 projects, real-time projects on CAI will be there because it's very, very important for the current market. Most of the interview, they are asking CAI question also. So that you should have to be ready with the CAI also. Without CAI, you cannot attend the interview. Okay. So then creating API and publish JDBC connections and all these things will come. Salesforce connection will make and summary on exercise like this will go. Okay. So these are the explanation of our whatever we are going to cover. And then, yeah, any questions is there now? Yeah, those who are in the LMS and those who are in the Zoom, any questions is there? Please let me know. Yeah. Yes, correct. How many years of experience for you in the Power BI, right? Yeah, Power BI. If you are in the Power BI, you can learn this because the salary will be probably it's very less only compared to a IACS developer. Definitely, you can learn this. You can boost your salary to the next level. You can show your Power BI experience as IACS experience after the. Yes, you can present like that. No problem. Whatever it may be, your previous experience totally you can show us Informatica that nobody can able to do anything if you tell like that. No issue at all. That much knowledge you will gather here. No issue. You can tell anything. No problem. Yeah. Sure. So anybody can ask the question whether in the LMS or Zoom. I will tell the answer. So anything it is like about your career guidance or your whether you are suitable for the batch or any question is there, please ask me. Yeah. Shweta, right? Yeah, please go ahead, Shweta. So if some of you are in the Zoom, you cannot able to hear the questions what they are asking in the LMS. If you want, you can ask the question. If you are in the Zoom and LMS voice, my voice can able to hear to you, but so you both of you cannot able to hear. Yeah, please go ahead, Shweta. What is your question, please? Yes. You are working or not? How many years gap you have? 7 months gap. 7 months gap, you can tell that for particularly for women's, there will be some special support always. Okay. So because reasons you can tell lot of reasons, but male we cannot tell more reasons. So you can say any reason, health issues or some issues you can tell, no issue. They will consider. But the thing is, you have to crack the interview very easily. For that, you have to learn. If you crack the interview, remaining all will be yes. That you can manage, no issue. No need to go for fake experience for your case. See, fake experience is a extreme case. I don't suggest for everyone. Unless it's a mandatory, then I will tell this is the option, no other option. Fake experience, I don't tell for everyone. It's not. Yeah, up to 1 year also you try some 2 interviews, you try with genuine reasons, whatever you are having. If they are respecting, no issue. If you are keep on telling you are having the gap, then you fill the gap by fake experience only, no other option. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, any questions from the Zoom also? Pranay, you have any questions? Yeah,
No, sir. No.
no question, right? Yeah, okay.
Hmm.
Any question from the LMS itself again? Yeah, please go ahead. Working in non-IT, okay. Degree not completed. Sorry, without degree. See, first complete the degree, okay. Today, to run the life in the world, to run the life, basic degree is important, okay. Your first priority. What is your age now? See, degree means I'm not telling go to the college and study now, right? So make some online degrees, lot of availables. I will give some links, okay? See, something you do. For your age, I am not going to tell that go and study in the college, right? So you will have the family, you will have the, yes, I understand. Something you do, okay? Something means anything you can do, right? You present yourself as you are having degree. Whether it is even the fake degree some people are doing, but I'm not recommending that. But the first you try genuinely anything, okay. If you're not at all able to do, then that is your wish, whatever you want. So some people are doing that as well. So 3 years experience is okay, no issue. Pranay.
Okay.
Okay, 3 years experience is more than enough. Even
Hmm.
2 years experience also people are joining, no issue. Even 1 year also
Ah,
they are joining, because we are having Snowflake also in the resume.
Okay.
That's why we added the Snowflake. It should be match for
Hmm.
everyone, right? So this combo
Hmm.
will be suitable for anyone, no issue. Yeah, okay.
Actually, I'm on notice period, and in September it will be that 3.5 year experience.
No
September
problem.
is
Three
my
years is
last.
more than enough. 3 years is more than enough. No
Okay.
problem. People are getting calls, enough calls, no issue at all. Okay,
Okay.
Mahalingesh in the Zoom. Have any question, please? Mahalingesh. Sharon, yeah,
No,
please.
I don't have.
Okay, Sharon, you have any questions in the Zoom?
Yeah, one more thing I have to let you know.
Yeah, yeah.
I completed my graduation in 2021.
2021. Okay, huh.
Okay, I started my career in 2023 September. I
Which,
have gap in 2 years.
okay, currently you're working.
No, I am already relieved a previous company in Jan 2025.
Okay, 23 you started when you left the job.
25 Jan.
Okay, 2 years experience we're having, right?
Yes, yeah, I have real time.
So what job it is? It is IT or
It
non-IT?
is non-IT, non-IT.
What IT, non-IT?
US mortgage.
US?
Mortgage.
Okay, mortgage. Okay, got it. Okay. So yesterday you called that only, right?
Yes, correct.
That is a like finance related, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, yesterday we discussed. No issue. Fine, fine. That
Yeah.
is not an issue. Uh,
Yeah.
so you can present that experience as a IT experience. Simply, that's all.
Okay.
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 So they will check. They will do the verification in your company. Your company will say that this person worked with us. That's all. They are not going to ask whether you worked as a ETL developer or anything.
Okay.
They will ask whether worked or not. Yes, they will
Okay.
say yes, worked. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Just try, no issue. Okay. And
Oh,
what is the current gap? How many months?
6 months only.
6 month gap. With the 6 month gap, you try, no issue. Okay.
Oh,
6 months is not a very big gap. So you
okay.
tell some proper reason for that. I had some issues.
Okay.
First of all, you can tell the actual reason only.
Okay.
And that reason is not very much acceptable, then you tell some other reason. Okay. Some health
Okay.
issue or something acceptable reason you can tell. Okay.
Okay.
Always we cannot tell the truth only, but sometimes we have to tell something also, right?
Yeah.
So first we try with the truth.
Okay.
Whatever the reason, you tell that this is the reason I left the job due to some personal reason or whatever, right? So yeah, next. Yeah, in the LMS, yeah, you can. Any other question, Sharon, from your side? Nothing, right?
Nothing. Nothing.
Yeah, okay. So those who are in the LMS, please go ahead. Correct. So Informatica PowerCenter developer. Yes. Yeah, Informatica PowerCenter developer, definitely you are. So this is the perfect platform to learn IICS. Don't learn IICS separately. As I already told, you should, even if you know PowerCenter, you should get the comparison. Comparison means you know already PowerCenter, but if I give separately, you may think this topic is something different topic, but actually the same topic only. Whatever you know already PowerCenter, you will not the not you should get the comparison. Okay, this is the same topic only in IICS. Like that, you should get the comparison. That is the biggest advantage in IICS combo training. Yeah, yeah, you can call me, no issue. Okay, sure. Yes, okay, sure. Yeah, and anyone else? Yeah, yeah, correct. No issue, no issue. Yeah, yeah, please go ahead. What is the total experience? 13 years experience. Okay. 13 years experience in what sector or what, IT or non-IT? Okay, non-IT. So you call me, I'll give some how you can plan. Okay, you call me, I'll tell you. Okay, I don't want to tell everything here. So for 13 years experience, you have to do something, I'll tell you. Okay. Yeah, definitely you can get the job, no issue. See, you have to present your at least 4 years experience. Don't show 13 years experience in IT. That's completely wrong. Okay. They will expect the knowledge in that much. Okay. So that you can't give that much you can't learn. Okay. Immediately. At least in our training, you will get the knowledge of 3 to 4 years experience knowledge. Definitely you will get, so that you present 4 years experience in Informatica. Remaining, you can say that I was in SAP, or you can say Power BI, or you can say Tableau, whatever something you can tell, or you can say even I was in non-IT also, no problem. But the last 4 years I was in Informatica. So that knowledge you have to gain here and you have to present in the interview also. Yes. No, that is possible. Very much possible. It's very, very 100% possible. No doubt. Only thing you have to dedicate and you have to believe in yourself, and you have to do the practice. Simply believing also no logic. I will give the process. I will give the exercises daily. Daily you put some effort. So this time is the fire time for you. You have to put the effort and you have to do something. Daily will attend the session. Daily complete the exercise. Daily share the exercise to me. Again and again I will give the new exercises also. So keep the touch with other students also. What they are doing, you observe that. So that competition will make you. That also very important. Competition is important with other students also. Okay, he is doing, I also should do something, right? Our laziness will go away immediately. That's what I'm telling. Okay. Yeah, sure. You call me, Sure. Um, anyone else? Any questions? Anyone, please? Yeah. Yeah. So my mobile number here only, right? This only my mobile number 89708 53557, or you can call 9448005273. So if you want to, yes, if you want to enroll, you can go to our website, or so in the first session only, that only is there. You can go through this, go to the courses, and go to the, I'm showing all this here itself, everything is there. All the courses, Informatica, these are live courses, these are recorded courses. If you want record, okay, if you are not able to live, if you are not able to join the live session, you can go for recorded courses also. Okay. So these recorded courses we are having. So Informatica IICS combo full course, it's a very popular recorded course with us. Informatica IICS combo full course is very popular course with us, because this IICS combo full course recorded course is a compilation of previous batch IICS combo training live session, same video only, with 24/7 support also will be there. We'll give the support also. For recorded session, we'll have the 24/7 support. Anytime you can learn, and you can call us anytime. So the advantage in live session, yeah, few advantages is there in live session also. Yes. See, live session means live only always. Okay, recorded means you should have to plan yourself. You have to, the mind will not support sometimes to learn. The mind is very lazy. We have to make strict. So lively, if somebody is talking in the live, that is always a different thing. That is what the advantage in the live session. That experience is entirely different only, always. Yeah, correct. So Informatica, Informatica, yes. Informatica Cloud batch also is there, yes. Yeah, some people may be not interested in the combo. Cloud only I want. Yes, you can go cloud also, no problem. But my recommendation, combo is best for a CAI separate batch also is there, yes. Yeah, these batches are running now. It is not, it will take some other 15-20 days. So to get a software job immediately, I always recommend Informatica IICS combo. Yes. Yeah. Just I can read all these things and all. Okay. So how to land a software high paying job software in 45 days. So some blogs and all I have written. You can go and read that as well. So confused after graduation, get a software job. Why choose our Informatica ISS combo full course? Whatever I told, everything I explained here. So joins in SQL, all these things I mentioned. So what's the, yes, market prices, I mentioned everything, and our price also I mentioned. So yeah, what are the important, yes, day 1 we'll share all the interview questions. Day 20 resume and Naukri profile. Day 23 first mock interview. Day 25 attend the real-time interviews. Day 35 second mock interview. Day 40 to 45 crack the interviews. If not cracked, third mock interview. 2-month free job support after getting the job. Okay. So these are some of the our testimonials. Okay. So yes. So many of the students is getting the benefit. Yeah, correct. So if you want interview question answers, I have a lot of document I'll share. You can go in our website also. Okay, just you can click the plus symbol, you will get the answers here. And first of all, you can go to the SQL. I always tell first SQL, go to the SQL. So I give a lot of priority for SQL always. What is SQL? Why it is important? So these documents, this website designed, I only designed everything as a special support for all of you. Okay, this pages and all, I put lot of time to create these pages with all real-time examples. Okay, just go through this SQL is very, very special. So I given with a layman language, everything. Okay, so SQL is a special language, talk to databases, just like we use English or any language to talk people. So it helps to store and organize like emails with examples, everything. Okay. Yeah, correct. So what is primary key? So no duplicates. With a lot of efforts, we have created this document and all. You can make use of this. Yeah, correct. Just go through all these things. So it will inspire you definitely to learn SQL. Once if you get the confidence in SQL, that also will, it's a very big thing actually. Okay. So it is having some 55 questions on SQL and 100 plus questions on PowerCenter and 100 plus questions on IICS. It's freely available. And we are also having 500 plus questions. So from the day one itself, you can start to attend, you can start to learn. So you will crack the interview by 23rd session itself. It is up. It is happened many times. 25 sessions or before 35, 40 sessions, you will crack the interview definitely. Okay. So any other questions, anyone, please? Yeah. Yeah, you can pay 9,600 or you can pay 4,800 and you join now with half of the amount. You can pay and join. Yes. So batch, it will start in 1 or 2 days. People are already joined. Okay. So I want only some 20 or 25 people. That's it. We are not going to look for some 50, 100 people and all for a batch. We need to have a complete interactive session. If I have a lot of people, we cannot have an interactive session. We need to mute everyone. Then that is not a quality session. Yes. Okay. Anything else, please? Anyone? Yeah, Banu, you want to join this session?
Yes, sir.
So you can call me or you can share the number.
No, I'll call you, sir, actually.
No
I have your
problem.
number. I have your number.
No problem. You call me. In another 2 days, we are going to start. Mahalingesh, may I know you want to join the session?
I will think about it. I just joined
Okay, currently, may I know working or not?
Yeah, I'm working. Actually.
Okay, working in other technologies or Informatica
No,
only?
no, working in the Informatica only.
Okay, fine. Okay, no issue. Okay, if you want to join, you can even if you are working in Informatica, you can upgrade your knowledge to the next level with the real times. Okay. So we are having the
Yeah.
migration projects and all in this. Definitely, it will be helpful for your real-time job also. Okay. So if you go to another interview, they will be asking the questions on migration projects also, so that it will be helpful for you. Yeah. So yeah, Suresh. Yeah. Yeah. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Yeah. Okay. You can call me after the session. Yes. No. See, I want to give some special suggestions for you. You call me. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. After the session or tomorrow you can call, no issue. Yeah. See, everything, if you think in that way, you cannot do anything. Okay. Yeah, correct. See, nobody is desired to go for a fake experience. Nobody is happy with that. I know very well. Nobody will be happy with fake experience. So, but if the market forces, we cannot do anything. Yeah, Mahalingesh, can you add some point in this?
Uh, yes, sorry. So
If somebody is
at least there.
working, they come to know that fake. Okay. First, the
But
company
some
will think,
MNCs, but
yeah.
some MNCs, they will not allow actually. Even if we are working, if we are like more dependent on some
See,
companies, some MNCs.
what my question is, while doing the background verification, what you were doing, why after 3-4 months you are talking about BG, right? So there itself, you will not get the job immediately. That much MNC means they will do the background verification also very strongly. Correct.
Correct, correct.
There itself you will get filtered. Correct.
Yes, but in the banking project, again, it will be going to be very strict. Even though, like, company has done the BGB, so again, the banking project will do the BGB. If
Mhm.
they failed in the banking project BGB,
Mhm.
they will not at all allow in the company itself.
Okay, that is very rare cases only. But what I am
Yes,
saying
that is
is,
rare cases.
yeah, rare cases. Then see,
Right,
we
right,
have a lakhs of companies. Correct.
right, right, right.
We
Well,
don't want to depend on one company. If you are not there, I have another
yes,
company, right? So
right,
that
right, right.
confidence we should have to be ready to accept and immediately to move for another company. So that first, if you have the knowledge, that is more than enough. This company or
Right,
that
right.
company is
That's correct.
something we can do, but while molding the properly, we have to mold the knowledge in our mind. Then we will have the complete. Will be a free bird. Okay, I don't want to this company. I'll go for another company. But my recommendation, after 1 or 2 years, keep on change the company. It will increase the salary. It will. So of course, if some companies, yes, you can stick to that company. Normally, I'm telling to increase the salary up to if you reach up to 15 lakhs, then you can sit in a company. Up to that, you can change the company for every 2 years or maximum 3 years. So yes, yeah. Anything else? Please don't want to worry about that too much. Okay. See, nobody is interested to go for fake experience. It is the market forces sometimes. That's it. We cannot think 100% ethically in all the times. If you are saying 2 years experience, I have the gap due to some personal issue or some health issue, they are not agreeing, what you will do? In that case, only people are going for that option. That is not a first option, I am always telling. First, try genuinely, then finally, no option, then you can go for fake experience. Yes, you attend some 3 interviews, you will come to know. Then, based on that, you can decide. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Who is that? Your good name? I am not able to find the name. Yeah. Yeah, Harish. Yeah, please, Harish. Please go ahead. SQL. See, SQL, you don't worry. SQL, you will learn here itself. Even if you don't know SQL, you will learn SQL. No issue. From the scratch. First 5 days, first 4 days, we'll have SQL only. Then complete SQL. Then every session will go in a parallel way. Yeah, yeah, okay. So, yeah, somebody, yeah, working in real time, right? Yeah, what is your input? What we can do the changes in the session? Yeah, Mahalingesh, can you give some input to us? What we can improve in the session? The structure?
Yeah, I think it's a good one for the 2-3 years of experience people, right? So it's a good one actually, good package I can say.
Your total experience may know?
I have 8+ years of
Yeah,
experience
then you
actually.
are a very
Yeah,
good. You are eligible to tell the answers for me, right? So you are a perfect
yeah,
person to
yeah.
tell. Yes,
Either
yeah, yeah.
Snowflake or AWS like that. Just
Yes,
my
that's why we
experience,
added the
but
Snowflake in
not
this. So
correct,
Snowflake
correct,
will,
correct. It's a
if,
good one.
if I am getting a 5 calls on IICS, I will get some 3 calls on Snowflake also. So the total number of calls, 8 numbers, right? So
Right.
with this combination, that's why we made more priority on Snowflake also. Yeah, thank you for
Yes.
your inputs.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your inputs. And anything else? Anyone? Please go ahead. Any questions? Is there anyone? Yeah, my experience. Yeah, I have 14 plus years of experience as a ETL developer and also as a trainer. I'm giving this training from last, I started in 2021. And initially I started with Informatica PowerCenter training only. Then after 2 years, after 1.5 years, I started the combo training. Based on the requirement of the market only, I started this combo training. Yes. Yeah, first some 1 year I was also giving IICS separately, PowerCenter separately. Then it is like not making sense to me. Okay, why we have to make like that? Okay, let us make it combined so that it is easy for students' perspective. For the fees also, many of the people are struggling to give the fees also. So that make it. Finally, I fixed it at 9,600. Definitely, it is suitable for most of the people. Even that also, you don't want to pay immediately. Pay half of the amount, join, and after 14 sessions, you pay the remaining. If not interested, you get the refund also. You have the complete freedom. Okay, nothing to worry. Yeah, thank you all. If anyone wants to join, please ping me in the WhatsApp or you call me immediately, or tomorrow also you can call. Yeah. So all of you in the LMS or whoever wants to join, just you can. Yes. Sure. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yes. See, documents and all. Yeah. We have a lot of documents. Okay. SQL documents is there. All the documents. Snowflake is there. PowerCenter is there. IICS is there. I'm still adding in this. It is having a lot of documents I'm adding in this our website also. If you want, I'll share. Even I have given for download also. Okay. You can download, no issue. Yeah. See, correct. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Azure document also given. We can also download that as well. Yeah, correct. And also we have the website development also. Okay, even this website developed by myself only. You can see here, designed and developed by Rishab Informatica Group only. Okay, so we'll give the next JS, that is the advanced codings, recent listing, right? So that we will give within a very best price compared to the market. If some of you wants any website development, we'll make it within very short time with very advanced website. Okay, so all of you can give some suggestion also how to improve this website. I think I've done my best and still I am improving this website. So like this also, if you want any website, some of you doing any business or something, if you want a website, so I will give in the best price compared to the market with advanced features. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Thank you all. I'll stop now. Please get back to me. Yeah. Thank you all. So those who have, yeah. Any question is there? I think someone trying to ask something. Yeah, sure. Yeah, almost some 10 people already joined. So remaining will be joined. 20 or 25 will be done within other 3 days. Then we'll start the session. 2 days, yes. by Tuesday something we'll start the batch. Yeah. Thank you all. Any question is there, you can call me. We have the 24/7 support also. You can call us anytime. Thank you all, and stop now.